aims to provide free metered electricity connections to poor, weakened immune function, and increase the message, not ignore, learn, see news, use, share, must, emphasizes the importance of including learn individuals in news coverage and sharing information. This suggests that learn people should not be overlooked when accessing news, and that news outlets should use accessible formats and platforms to ensure everyone can understand the information being shared. Here's a breakdown of the message. Not ignore, learn. This part clearly states that learn individuals should not be excluded or disregarded when it comes to accessing information. See news. This signifies the need for news coverage to be accessible to deaf people. Used. This implies that news outlets should leverage tools and methods that make news accessible. Share must. This highlights
vanilla beans primarily grow in tropical regions near the equator, specifically between the Bs at parallel north and south. While the orchid Vanilla planifolia is native to southeastern Mexico and Central America, it's now cultivated in various tropical areas. The majority of the world's vanilla comes from Madagascar and Indonesia. Key areas where vanilla beans are grown. Madagascar. Known for its rich, creamy flavor, Madagascar produces a significant portion of the world's vanilla. Indonesia. Another major producer of vanilla, with a strong focus on the V. planifolia species. Mexico, the native home of vanilla and a significant producer, especially of the V. planifolia variety. Other tropical areas. Vanilla is also grown in parts of Central America, South America, and the Indian Ocean regions like Reunion Island. India. Vanilla was introduced to India around 1835 and is now cultivated in certain districts of Karnataka and Kerala, according to Kadamba Foundation and Kerala Tourism. Vanilla bean offers a range of potential health benefits, including antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It may also aid in reducing anxiety, promoting healthy digestion, and even improving heart health. Additionally, vanilla can be used in skincare and hair care to soothe irritated skin, fight breakouts, and promote hair growth. Here is a more detailed look at the benefits. General health, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Vanilla is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, potentially helping to protect against cell damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Reduces anxiety. The scent and flavor of vanilla can have a calming effect, potentially reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Promotes healthy digestion. Vanilla may aid in digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal distress. Heart health. Vanilla may help lower cholesterol levels, potentially strengthening heart function and reducing the risk of heart conditions. Skin and hair benefits. Soothes irritated skin. Vanilla can soothe and calm irritated skin, potentially reducing redness and inflammation. Fights breakouts and acne. The antibacterial properties of vanilla may help reduce breakouts and acne. Promotes hair growth and shine. Vanilla can stimulate blood flow to the scalp, potentially promoting hair growth and boosting shine. Anti-aging. Antioxidants in vanilla can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. Other benefits. Brain health. Vanilla may have positive effects on brain health, potentially improving neurotransmitter function and mood. May boost mood. Vanilla contains compounds that may stimulate the production of serotonin and dopamine, known as feel-good hormones. Traditional uses. Historically, vanilla has been used to treat various ailments, including fever, spasms, and menstrual cramps. Yes, you can make several edible things from vanilla beans, including vanilla extract, flavored sugar, and even add them to desserts or poached fruits. You can also use the seeds and pod to infuse other ingredients like vanilla ice cream, cream cheese frosting, or caramel sauce. Here is a more detailed look at how to use vanilla beans. 1. Vanilla extract. Split the vanilla bean lengthwise and scrape out the seeds. Place the bean halves and seeds in a jar with vodka or another high-proof alcohol. Let it steep for several weeks, shaking occasionally, and then strain the extract. Do vanilla sugar, salt. Dry the vanilla beans, then grind them into a powder. Mix the powder with sugar or salt. This flavored sugar can be used in baking, or the flavored salt can be added to dishes like pastries.